No, I want to know why everybody just say near.
Are you over this? Near to this road, this?
Morning, folks. Exactly. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Today is November 9. It's a Thursday, and we have a great show as we always do.
Yes, we be do.
Yeah, we be do. I like that. So get up because it's time for you to do something. You have to go to school. You have to go to work. Maybe you have to drop someone to school, or drop someone to work, or someone coming to pick you up, and then you have to watch us before you do all of that. So we welcome our friends on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam TVG, and also on television, Jamaica.com. We know you're in the vicinity
Of the TV.
of the TV. It's time you must watch now. Well, go on.
Adair, the people of Anata Bay, I want to say a very good morning to all of you. They say they have to watch Smile Jamaica every morning.
Brilliant.
They were giving me individual names, but me tell them, I've got past 7 name. I said, that's a man, Anata Bay. So one young man said, yeah, but big up Andrew.
Easy, Andrew.
So I say, Andrew, if it pass him, yeah, but Andrew, so I say, Andrew, I'm not going to remember him, no? Yeah, man, I remember, man, because you know my last name. I said,
Harris.
what? Bell.
Andrew Bell.
So I say, Andrew.
Andrew.
And that make me not go big.
Hold on. Andrew have money.
Because, yeah,
Andrew have money.
Anata Bay, I don't know if he has money, but he's from Anata Bay, and they're
Andrew,
nice,
if
warm people in Anata
Andrew,
Bay.
if you have money, you're my first cousin. Well, you know that. My father is from Buff Bay.
Oh.
My father is from
So
Buff
you
Bay.
could have related for sure.
And the more money I have, the closer the cousin is.
Yes.
You're right. We are there.
Tight. Toby from Chesterfield.
Easy talks.
See him, the Prime Minister promised the bridge. So good
In
morning,
personally.
Toby.
Mr. Prime
He's
Minister.
the head of the Citizens Association. So remember the picture they were walking through the water?
Right.
Him Sam promised me
Easy.
the
Why you
bridge.
were there, by the way?
I wasn't there. They were in Kingston.
Oh. Why were there in Kingston?
Their member of parliament had been sworn in, so they were having something for him.
Dr. Dunn.
Yes, so they were having something for him
Yeah, man.
at the
Great
Pegasus,
stuff.
so they were there to celebrate with him.
Great stuff.
And congrats to Floyd.
Break and stuff. I just go in and say, we like the game, we think we win. So this gentleman came up to me one day and said, you have to come over to the George Headley and interview this man. So I said, I can't do it now. He said, Mr. Berry, you need to come. So I said, why? And he said, he's blind. So I said, so if he's blind, why is he here at a cricket match? He said, just come the atmosphere, and he preferred to be there than just listening to it. And it was fantastic.
Yeah, man.
Great, really great interview. And that was the day I met him, and we sat there and we spoke for a long time. So congrats again, Doctor, Senator.
And on his
Fantastic
book,
stuff.
people should try and get it.
Fantastic stuff.
Yeah.
All right, lots to come in the show, including ways to stretch your paycheck. Please, we
nice.
need to know that, because my take-home pay, just don't ever take me home. I don't know.
Then I stay which part you get it.
Which feel I need a room here.
Work
I
on the
agree.
depths. We're also going to be looking at advice I give my younger self. But right now, we're just going to head straight to the hot topics.
Advice to give my younger self. You know how old me is, me can't remember my younger self. All right, this is great news. Google, they gave an organization that pushes for the representation of young black males $1 million.
Nice.
Hashtag the Hidden Genius Project. The tech giant's donation will aid the project with expanding to other cities, training staff members, motivating more youth to take on jobs in technology-based fields. Now, this work builds on over $35 million in Google.org grants focused on providing opportunities for underrepresented students to become pioneers of technology, and they're excited to see the Hidden Genius Project use this new grant. That's fantastic.
Nice.
Yeah. What's the next one? That's not so fantastic.
Not so good news. Thought we got rid of this one. There's a plague outbreak spreading in Madagascar. Death toll is 143. Experts are warning that the deadly medieval airborne virus is still spreading in the worst outbreak in 50 years. And history, well, if you know your history, there's a bubonic plague.
Yep.
Awful disease wreaked havoc in Europe. And now here it is in Madagascar. It's been described, as I said, the worst in 50 years. It's deemed to be at a crisis point. It's now infected 1,947 people in the country, which is off the coast of Africa. Their concern is that being an airborne plague, it may spread to mainland Africa. If it gets to mainland Africa, 9 countries have been placed on high alert and told to brace for potential outbreaks. Boy, Africa can't get a break.
Yeah, man. So
if it's not one thing.
Yeah, I don't know if my producer did this deliberately, but we got good news, bad news, and we're back to good news again.
Okay.
So this gentleman used to cut the hair of homeless people, but he just never had anywhere to do it after a while. So he just, look at that picture. So a gentleman just called him up and just give him a barber shop. Just give him a barber shop.
Isn't that lovely?
This is fantastic. He gave him his fully renovated barber shop so he could continue what he was doing. And he said it will open in November with specific days dedicating to serving the homeless.
Yeah.
Which is just brilliant.
It's great how he did it too. He
Yeah,
said,
man.
the guy said, I've got a building I want you to come and check out. And the guy went and then he said, you like this place?
Yeah.
And him say, yeah. And he must toss him the key.
And say it's yours.
It's yours.
There was a
Nice,
story.
eh?
There was a story about Elvis Presley who drove a pink Cadillac. True story. And I think he went to a restaurant or something and he came out and saw this lady just looking at the car and he said, you like it? And she said, yeah. I'm just a come. I'm going to buy her one.
So never look how long I know you and not one day you know say daily you like this. Come at me buy you what?
Because I never see you outside. If you lean up from a car, I ask if you like it, I just buy you one.
A long time I know you. So
Yeah.
you make sure.
Yeah, whatever.
We'll go back to the
You know,
good
from
news,
when
yeah.
I say BMW is one of the
Go-
greatest car in
skip.
history, and I know they're not giving me nothing.
We're going number 3 or are we going back to
No, Jamaican students.
come and say
No,
4
that's all it
final
is.
thing. Jamaican students have topped 14
out
of
of
35 subjects in the 2017 sitting of the CSEC exams.
Yeah, man.
Subjects include English language. Ariel Buckle from Immaculate High topped English, and she has 11-1. So good morning, Ariel.
Hey.
CSEC is done by mostly fifth form students, as you know, and in Cape, Jamaican students achieved 21 top positions out of the approximately 70 units.
All right, great news again. This one is just funny. It's neither bad news or good. What is bad news for somebody? So, a woman and her husband on the plane. The husband dropped asleep. The woman used his finger to open the phone, go to the message them, and find that he was cheating and started to beat him proper on the plane. To the point that the plane had to land.
She's a hot mess.
She said the woman who had reported been drinking repeatedly hit her husband and began arguing with airline staff, forcing them to divert the plane and remove the couple from the flight. I don't know if I'm all right.
She's a hot mess. I'm telling you, if you don't feel so, you don't have to search your phone.
Time
Go
to
on.
move, no?
Go on.
Still time to move?
Me and Chapo wait for the man to sleep and take him finger and open the phone. And what she beat him for?
Well,
No, wait
hold
till
on.
the plane land.
Wait, no.
Suppose something wrong
So
with the
me
plane.
have the use my finger. Let me see.
Donnell Christian.
Oh, you're reaching there.
Because your phone no lock message. That's what I'm saying.
It's locked.
You gotta
It's
know.
locked.
You gotta know your man's phone.
Go in there now. Go in there now.
I have to use
You
his
say go in there.
finger.
Go
Me
in there.
just have to do something on his
Go in there then.
and the message scroll up in front. Now
No, I
Donnell
just
Christian,
no.
you
Donnell
You
sent
get
me
number
something,
four.
but it was on the front page still. We have a video to show you before birthdays. What's
That's
this?
so funny.
No, you're coming off the flight. No. Run the video. S'il vous
Hey
plaît.
guys, I know there's a lot of stressful things going around in the world. Here's my advice. Pray about it. You got a job interview? Pray about it. You got a test? Pray about it. You got family members that don't treat you right? Pray about it. You got fake friends? Pray about it. Wait, fake friends? Fake friends? You're going to need to call Jesus, then pray about it. Tip for you. Exactly. And remember, you are loved. You are a child of God, and He is pleased with you. Advice, take it twice.
too much.
Yeah.
Hey, prayers to the two of them in the ear. So then get trouble, you know.
I will say if you have
Them
problem,
get talking, you know.
call
You
Jesus.
say, you see the head, I go, pray about it.
and then pray about it.
If you got fake friends, wait. Fake friends, you gotta call Jesus.
And then you pray about it.
Then I call Jesus and you pray about it. Where did you get the two of them from? Oh my
All
God.
right.
adorable.
Time for some birthdays, folks.
You
Dooley.
open it now.
No, the phone don't open. You never open it, you know.
Oh,
But what happens when the message comes and stay at the front?
So where the finger figure now?
Right there. No, it's not one. This one.
Wait for go. Oh,
Right
this
there.
one.
See, it still don't open.
It says, what can I help you with?
Just tell them.
What is Neville's bank account number? Why you laugh? Yes, you. What is Neville's bank account number? What?
The phone is smart, you know, it might very well tell you.
But if I open my phone, I don't want a text message from the woman. I want something more useful to me.
All right, folks, happy birthday. Jazeel Walcott in first form at Woolmer's Boys. Jazeel, first form? Doesn't mean I think you should go anywhere than that. Nice age, nice form. Remember, we just said what's the C-Second Cape. No, sir, stay right there. Nice age, nice form, nice school. And it's from your nice mom, Tracy, your brother Raheem, your dad, your grandma, your Auntie Renee, and of course from me. And they say they love you loads. There you go. They call him Jazzy Boo. Easy Jazzy Boo. So have a great day today. You still have to go to school, but tell the teacher it's your birthday, cake, run, lunchtime, and you understand? And some nice little soft drink and stuff. Also, happy birthday to Celia Wilson. It's coming from your daughter Israel, from your mom, your dad, your sisters, your best friend Anne-Marie, and the staff at Heart Trust NTEI. What is NTEI?
National
Anyway,
Training Something Institute.
yeah, but this from NTEI, all the staff, and your best friend for life, Annie. So Celia, have a great day today. And also to Shaquille Thompson. Shaquille is 3 years old. Well, Shaquille is the greatest age that people can lift you up and all kind of thing. You don't have to do nothing for yourself. Shaquille Thompson's 3 is coming from your mom, Latoya, your auntie Lisa, and your brother, and from all of us here. So Shaquille, have a great day. What you have?
I didn't realize that Nadia from Philip Sherlock Center and the swag boss, Conroy Wilson, share the same birth date, which is today. So happy birthday to both of you. Now that you think about that today, I see why. That's the only thing I have in common in the can dress, you and Conroy. Conroy is a bright, artistic youth.
So am I.
Well, if you want to say so. So happy birthday, Paul Andre Walker. Happy birthday to you as well. Trevor Alexander, Beverly Monday, and Trisha Henry. Me send one greetings. Can never yesterday.
I did it.
You did it?
Of
Okay.
course I did. So,
Thank you.
you come in this morning and my tummy not feeling so wonderful.
True.
And Miss Doctor, give me some tea. Miss Doc, my stomach all right. I can't manage that tea there. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day.
So if you run out of studio, you're gone
Home.
into the vicinity of the bathroom.
No, my God, home. Happy birthday, folks.